Hey guys, and welcome in to a car chase challenge video using Mafia 2 as opposed to GTA. I picked this up recently and it's on sale at the moment if you want to go pick it up for yourself. And Mafia 2 is just one of my favourite games of all time. You guys may know that. This game is fantastic and it looks amazing. It looks even better on the PC than it does on the Xbox or PS3. The lighting in this game is just insane and awesome, and I just love the atmosphere that this game gives off. Nothing else beats it in terms of atmosphere for me, apart from maybe Mirror's Edge. That's very kind of similar in terms of you feel like you're actually there. The music, just everything in this game, this is just brilliant. Anyway, so handling in this game is also pretty freaking good. So we're going to try and take this cop down and see how long we can survive with a cop chase. This is my own personal car I'm using in the game, and if it gets blown up, that's it. There's no vehicle repair cheats in this. So yeah, as you notice there, my number plate says Reaper. So we're gonna you can customize the crap out of the vehicles, which I like. So we're going to try and do a car chase in this thing, so we're going to have to ram this cop, because there's another way of doing it. So, okay, so we have a 2-star cop wanted level, and we're going to see how long we can survive here. Now, the drifting in this game is just beautiful. How the cars handle is very nice, especially as it's snowing right now, which makes this game a little bit more fun. It's just throwing the cars around the corners, and they have a really nice pickup rate when you're putting the accelerator down. And they feel really meaty and heavy. I just love how good the cars. I just love how they feel in this game. They're just really well done. And yeah, one of the best handling models in a video game, and really underrated. I think it's one of those games that not many people really think of as like good driving game, but you get your money's worth. It's just trying to keep this guy in my sights here. Now, of course, there are guns in the game. I will be using those if possible. Now, see there, I've lost the cops. So you kind of have to make a name for yourself, because in this game, they work on a really good wanted level system. So if I was to ram this guy... hang on a minute, let's try and... Let's shoot that cop car. Okay? So there's a cop car there, right? So if I was to shoot this cop... Right, now, as you see there, I've got a wanted level on myself and the vehicle. So the cops know who I am, and they also recognise this vehicle, unless I went to a cop shop and had it modified and changed. So, what that allows you to do, as you say there, it's kind of giving me tips and stuff on how to beat this. What it allows you to do is it adds a lot of tension to the game, because they'll recognise you. Even if you escape from the car chase, the cops will still know who you are, unless you change your clothes or get a respray on your vehicle, and that is awesome. That is a really cool feature, and I wish more games would do that. That's bad. As you saw there, I lost health due to ramming into that wall, and yeah, that can happen. It's so realistic. Even when the car breaks down, you can get out and mess around with the engine and everything. I just love it. Car chases don't last that long, which is why I don't do many car chase videos in this game, but once you're in one, it's awesome. And I just wanted to kind of show you something different today, because I'm doing GTA car chase videos every day, and I just wanted to show you something different. Okay, they're allowed to shoot out of their vehicles apparently, which I didn't realise. I forgot that. So we're on a 3-star right now. So it's basically GTA in the system in terms of how they act. It's very, very similar. So we're just going to try and come down here. Now, the game isn't free roam, it's more kind of linear, but you can just prat around in the middle of missions, which is what I'm doing right now. Because why the hell not? Oh, he's running my ass! Look at this guy! Oh, I just love the lighting. How the look at that! Look at that siren light just flying around there, lighting everything up. It's so cool, so cool. Such a well-made game, and well-optimized as well. This game runs absolutely beautifully. No issues whatsoever. Come on! Come on! Try to go for this gap here! We're through! Oh, he rammed straight into him. Let's keep going forward here. New things, you can go into restaurants, you can go into cafes, you can hold cafes up. The game is just brilliant. It immerses you completely in the world. I just have to do a free roam video in this. If you guys want to see that, then please tell me, because you know I would love to do that. Just showing you guys what you can do. It adds a lot of different features. Crap, dude. The gunplay is also really good in this as well, so that really helps. Okay, now they're going to be able to use automatic weapons, so not good for me. It just feels so meaty. I love this game. I love this game so much for its combat and just how awesome it handles and runs. Yes, there is a cover mechanic as well, which is really nice. And the cops don't go down very easily either. It's very realistic. Oh shit, that's not good, not good, not good, not good. Damn. Okay, let's see if I can steal one of their weapons. Shotgun. That's new. I haven't used that before, I don't think. Well, not that often, anyway. You have a kind of weapon selection wheel and everything else here as well. I'm going to use a shotgun, I think, from now on. My car, yeah. It's slightly buggered, but I kind of need it. So right now, I'm actually out of the cop rating, but as you can see, I'm still wanted. So I can right now. There's cops coming down the road, and you see there the blue bars going up. That basically means that they can see me and they want my blood. They want me. Basically, they want me right now. They're gonna freaking kill me. So yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. So I'm just gonna run away here. But what fun would that be? No, let's freaking take them on head on. Woohoo! Oh my god, they're hanging out the windows and everything. It's like a gangster movie. Of course, this takes place in 1944 in this game, I think, right now. That's the period I'm in. The game does move on to the early 50s as well, which is personally my favourite period, because I grew up with stuff like that. So, not that I was born in the 50s, it's just my family's very 50s orientated. But yeah, so I love the 50s aspect of this game. And it's nice that there is a game with that kind of stuff in it, you know. It's very rare that you find a game like that now. Let's try and... I mean, the only other kind of game that I can think of that's similar is Stubbs the Zombie. That's the only other game that has a 50s kind of ring to it, or a tone to it, you know. Oh! Through the gap! Through the gap! Yes! Oh, no! Did they have those back then? I did not know they had those back then! Oh! Son of a bitches! Wow, that's changed it up a bit. So I'll show you what you can do here. So if I was to go through this car, so what I can do is I can pick the lock. So I can actually, yeah, I could just smash the window, but it doesn't look as nice, does it really? Right, now, so as you can see, my car number plate wanted thing's gone. So they won't be able to tell who I am.
All units, code green, back to the station.
Unless they look very carefully when I drive past here. Now, if I get close, the bar will start to go up, okay? Let's turn the radio off here. So as you can see right now, I'm driving up pretty close to them right now, and they're not doing anything. But if I turn round so I have my face in view, the thing starts going up. It's very, very clever, and a seriously good system. And I don't know why no other game's done it. But yeah, there you have it. This has been freaking Mafia 2 on the PC. Let's just get out and have a final standoff. I want a final standoff here. Alright. Oh, crap! I think they hit my petrol tank. Yes, you can do that. I recommend this game to freaking everyone. Seriously, it's by far one of the best games, like, ever.
You should meet him at Freddy's.
So, as you can see there, it is in a linear kind of aspect. You do have missions and everything you have to do, but it just... the free roam aspect. Oh, my car's back! There you go! So that was kind of good. I did that there, because then it reloaded. Thank God. Yeah, you can also just mess around with the car, so you can look in the hood, so you can even open the boot. Yeah. It's just the amount of stuff you can do and the interaction is what makes this game so fascinating for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, but until next time, that's me, out.